In this video, we will enhance our data model. For this, for example, we have here dim date, and let me show you the data grid, dim date. So here you can see we have the full date alternate key. This information, and here you can see this is the standard date, right? And here this is the text information. So here you can see the data type is text, and for this field the data type is date, right? So in the when we will learn ducks, there we will use different time intelligence function. So we need to mark this table dim date as a date table so that it should work with the time intelligence functions. For this, we have to go to the diagram view, and we need to click dim date, and then we have to click extensions, table, and date, and here is mark as date table. We have to click here, and here you can see we need to choose the key that represent the actual date. The data type of this key is full date alternate key. This is the date key, right? So we have to click OK, and now this table we will use for the time intelligence functions. And the second concept is the hierarchy concept. So here you can see we have, for example, here you can see we have the product table. This is the product category table. This is the product subcategory, and this is the product table. And we have one-to-many relationship. So we need all the category and subcategory to be displayed under dim product table. So if you go to the grid and dim product, so here you can see we have different products columns, and we don't we don't have any category and subcategory column. For this, we have to use one function that is related. Always remember that filters flow from one side to many side. This is the default behavior. So we need to fetch the product category and product subcategory for this table. So we have to go to the grid, and we need to select the dim product table, and here we have to write, and we need to write here subcategory dim product subcategory English, this one. Hit enter. So here you can see these are the subcategories. So we are getting all the data from the related subcategory to product, and we can rename this column subcategory subcategories, and then we have to write here another column. We need to fetch another value here related. This is the function that will fetch value from another table, that is product dim product category, English product category name, this one. So this is the category, product category, this one. So now we can save and deploy. We need to open the Power BI. So under products, see, we don't have any category and subcategory columns here. We need to refresh. So here you can see we have product category, and then we have to select subcategory, this one, and then we have to select the English product name, this one, this. So we need to drag under rows. So here you can see we are getting the main category is, let me increase the grid size. So here you can see accessories, this is the product category, and subcategories, and same like bikes, the subcategory is mountain bikes, and then we have the products, right? So we made this hierarchy by dragging different columns, right? So we need to make hierarchy so that we can get automatically all the columns display with the same like we did in a manual way. So for this we have to go to the tabular model and diagram view. So we have to here product category, select this column, right click and create hierarchy, and then this is the hierarchy one, this is the name. Click subcategory, right click and add to hierarchy 1, and see we have product category, subcategory, and then the third one is the product name, English product name, and hierarchy 1. So we have 3 product category, subcategory, and name, and then we can rename this hierarchy 1 to product hierarchy, this one, right? So that's all. Now we need to save it and go to the Solution Explorer, Tabular Tutorial, right click and deploy. Close. Then we need to open Power BI, and here we have to, there is no hierarchy here. We need to refresh and see this product hierarchy here, right? So we need to copy and paste the same visual, and here we need to remove all the columns. we need to select this visual and we have to just click one time product hierarchy. So here you can see all the columns are automatically displayed like a hierarchy here, right? So this is how hierarchy works in tabular model. So in the next videos, we will further enhance our data model